Oh, look at that, it's perfect. Oh.
What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am in Mallorca. I am in Palma right now. This is the hall. It stretches all the way down this road and it keeps going and going and going. But yeah, just picked up some paint now at the spray paint shop at Outline, and I'm going to try and see if I can find a little bit of a spot here to put up my own little piece and leave a little mural behind. But yeah, I'm only going to set myself a 1 hour challenge because that there is our rent-a-car. My wife is over there in the park with my 2 little children. So yeah, just trying to get this in between our little sun break. So I've got a bit of a funky cool idea. I know the lights are going to be flickering here. Want me to take for you? Mommy. Yeah, I'll take a picture of you. Yeah? Right, we set this up.
No.
Yeah. Cool. Come on. Yeah.
Hello.
Just stand here. So stand here. So get the light and look here. Look here.
Yo mira ahí.
Yeah. Perfect.
Sí, vas a ganar dinero con mi cara.
Perfect. What is your name?
Victoria.
Victoria, you're going to be in my YouTube. Look for T2 Sugars. Brilliant. So just popped in the coffee shop now to get a coffee, and I thought that the barista, she was had very distinctive features and everything, so I thought what would be perfect is to, hey, it's the boys. Yeah, just went to the coffee shop there, and the barista, I thought that she had very distinctive features, so I thought what would be a better idea is to paint her on the wall. So the coffee shop is there, the hall is here, so it's literally around the corner. So I'm going to paint it up on the wall now. Like I said, 1 hour challenge, and here we go. Just done a little walk down now, right, and this area's got like a little pink background. This here is all peeling off, so I'm thinking that I'm going to put my portrait in this little section. Unfortunately I can't fill up the whole wall because I haven't got bucket paint and I didn't want to spend 20 euros on doing so. But yeah, I got this like real cool pink color for my background. My portrait then is going to be done in all of these like really cool turquoises, and fingers crossed this is going to turn out awesome. But yeah, these have got like turquoises in there, so it kind of fits well with that whole piece, but I'll kind of like junction it off.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And good evening. If anybody has found an idiot on the loose by the name of T2 Sugars, please report him to the website, because this said idiot didn't realise that he was painting next to a fellow crew member. That crew member being Flo, aka Lazy Art, and the legendary Matty from Paint on Walls Festival. So yeah, if you do find him, head over to the website and fill out a contact form. But while you're there, why don't you pick up yourself a lovely piece of hot merch, and back to your regular showing. Thank you for listening. I have my picture on my phone. I am now going to just start marking out. But yeah, 1 hour challenge. Here we go. It is 12:06. I'm going to go as close as I can to an hour, and fingers crossed we're done by 1 PM. Let's go. Right, come on. Let's set my mask up and everything. Right, so stuck. Right, that is the hour mark. There's been a few complications. I've had to make a few phone calls, but that is the process of it so far. That's how far I've got with everything. So I'm going to add in black next. I'm going to make this like look like a little bit of like a sticker kind of effect, like I did when I went to London, and add a few little stickers in and around there. But yeah, it looks pretty cool as it is. We'll start adding in the black and the white highlights, figure out what is right with the face, what is wrong with the face, and hopefully in the next 20 minutes we'll get it right. But yeah, I'm really happy the way this is turning out. I'm going to chuck up some black on you, some highlights, and hopefully it'll start to make it really, really pop. But yeah, let's get that done now. So there we have it, quick little one there. It was an hour and a half altogether. Shout out to my boys at the YIC, shout out to Outline Graph here in Palma, set me up with all the paint, done an awesome job. 94 by the way, that's the brand I used, and yeah, sick little shop. Here is the final result. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, head over to the website, pick up yourself some funky ass merch, and see you all on the next one. Peace.
You are welcome to Outline T-shirts.
This is their shop. So if you guys want some paint and you want to paint in Palma, in Mallorca, make sure you come to Outline Graffiti and pick up your stuff. There's a cool hall just around the corner. It's a short walk away, and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.